Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see what I got in my confetti collection box for October and November. I am so excited to show you what's in here. You're not gonna believe it. Now, just like the last month, well, not last month, this is a bi-monthly subscription. So just like the August and September box, I pre-opened this and already looked at everything inside because I picked it up off my front porch and I was like, holy heck, this is a heavy box. Now, the last one was heavy, or at least I thought it was, and I was intrigued and opened it. It was my favorite box I had ever received in a year, and well, here we are. I opened it again, and I think this one's my favorite box now. This one's heavy. I looked at it and it was over 7 pounds on my tracking, so I'm excited to show you what I got in here. So this is a bi-monthly subscription. It's $19.99 every 2 months. You get an array of novelty items, stationery items, and giftable items, but it's not every single month that you're gonna get like a specific one or, you know, a little bit of all of it. Usually you get sometimes like a card in here to gift, or a gift bag, or some string to go with the theme, or depending on like what the theme is. Like the last month we got paper plates that match the whole set for like a party. They have all kinds of things like that. I've gotten cups in the past. Just go check out all of my confetti collection unboxings. I've pretty much unboxed every one just about since the company started last year, and they did send this to me for free. They've always sent this to me for free, and the lady Kate that I talked to, she is so sweet. I love her to death. She's like the sweetest person I've ever emailed with back and forth for, well, we've been doing it for over a year now, and she's literally the sweetest person. So I'm excited to show you guys what's in here. Like, it's bulging out. That's how heavy it is. And I also want to mention that this type of subscription box is going to be perfect as a Christmas gift. And what I mean by Christmas gift is gift like 6 months or even a year for someone to have and to open this. This is going to be great for, you know, teenagers or even young adults, even middle-aged, older age. This is like so perfect for like all age groups because there's stuff in here that is just like so good and needed for people. Like, these are things that you need and you will get use out of, and if there's anything that you're just not into, it makes the perfect giftable as well, which comes back to the novelty, stationery, and giftable. So if you guys like that kind of stuff, then you're gonna like this, and definitely look into it. I'll have a link below. It is an affiliate link. I do make a small commission, and it's always appreciated when you do use my links, but you absolutely don't have to. I know there are several of you who did sign up and did not know that I had a link, but I will have it linked below. But anyways, if you guys are into these types of videos for me, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would, do me the honor and hit the subscribe button. It would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so I set the box over here because it is heavy and it just makes more sense for it to be over here. So this month's theme is Family Tree. Explore and document your family tree with a guided genealogy journal, file folders, and document folios. Have fun creating a keepsake for the next generation to enjoy. I think that's amazing, and you're gonna love it. Like, I'm so into this. It's so great, especially because I just had a Ancestry.com subscription. I canceled it because like I'm not paying for that every month, but it was really cool to do all of that, and it would have been cool if I could like write that stuff down and keep it, like the knowledge that I did gain. And since I don't have the subscription anymore, I just can't get back into it and see it all. So I would have liked to have that and written everything down, which I wish I would have had this 2 months ago, but that's okay, that's okay. So first we have envelope file folders, which these are so cute. I have a set of 3 here in different little styles, and this color combo just screams fall time, so that's also perfect. So these two just have the little string here, and you open it on this side, and then this one is long ways, which is really cute. And if you're somebody that works like in an office setting or you own a business and all that, this is a really cool subscription box to have too, because you'd get like new things for office wear and stuff, which is really great. And if you know someone who is in an office type setting, they would love this type of box for sure. Christmas gift, okay? Give them like a 6-month or a month subscription. They'll enjoy it. Plus, since it's bi-monthly, it's not like you're paying 20 bucks every month. It's every 2 months. So Yeah. Next, we have this My Family Guided Genealogy Journal. Includes 6 sticker sheets, prompted sections, and space for photos to record family history. Look how cute this is. And it's so nice. It has one of these little things down here, like a bookmark. And then my family tree. Then it has all of these pages in here. I hope that the camera's not washing them out. But you got all these pages. You have pages for photos, so it can also be a photo album. There's a lot going on in here, and it's so cute. Family name, meaning, country of origin, history behind the name, for like your mother's family name, your father's family name, about the family, child, birth date and place, born to, occupation, marriage date and place, death date and place, father's family name, about the family. They have like different sections. Relatives in the service, and then you have something in here, I guess birthdays. Oh, we have an importance date section. Use this section to help remember important dates of all relatives, birthdays, anniversaries, deaths, graduations, holidays, and any other special occasions can all be recorded here. So that's great. This is a really great item to have in here, like for realsies. So that's good. Next up, we have a 6-pack of 3 assorted patterns printed file folders, which are also really great if you work in an office setting. And also, if you did get this subscription box for yourself and you're not in an office setting, you don't need something like this. Gift it for Christmas for somebody that you know that is in an office setting. I'm not going to open these right now, but these are really good to have. I've gotten several of these, and I do use them in my drawers for like my tax information, my receipts that I save, my bills, and I keep them organized in these little folders in my closet. So that's really great that I have more of those. Here we have a cute little clipboard with quotations on it. You can put a piece of paper here and write on it, which is also something really good for like a student. So if you have like a grandchild in school, then this would be good. Or if you're in school, this would be good. And then here we have a thing of paper, which you can just replace with more because it just pops right out. There's a little thing here so you can replace it and keep using this, which is really, really cute, and it's nice and hardy. So this would be cute for somebody that needs to write stuff down, or even if you know somebody in the family that is like a realtor or does some kind of business where they have a clipboard, or if you're a teacher or if you know a teacher, now they have a cute little clipboard and they can write down what they have to write down. And it's, yeah, just teachers, gift this box to a teacher you know for like 6 months. It would be an amazing Christmas gift for someone like that, because they would utilize all of this stuff. I never thought about that over a year, and I never thought this would be the perfect teacher's gift. Okay, we have 2 more items. Next up, we have an address book, which this is a favorite for a lot of older people, which sounds kind of like I'm being rude, but I'm not. Like, a lot of older people have address books. Like, I don't keep one. My mother keeps one. So, you know what I mean? Like, it's good that you can get items for yourself and items that you wouldn't necessarily keep for yourself, but you can gift them. So, we have an address book here. And address and telephone book, which is just, you know, the traditional phone address, all that, quick references, yada, yada. A to Z, that stuff. So super exciting. This is also cute. It also reminds me of Kate Spade, but like not the Kate Spade price, you know what I mean? Last item is another little notebook. We get one of these pretty often, I'd say. This one's in a really pretty yellow color with like some arrows, little thing to keep it, you know, closed. This is cute for just writing down ideas, and also for just like journaling. You can do whatever you want. Keep it by the door and write down if somebody calls, you need to write a message down, you know, whatever. And then it even has one of those little bookmarks in it, so you know, you can see where you left off. So this would be a cute little journal too. And that is everything that came in here. I have to say, like, for what I got, for the value of $19.99, exceeds it for sure. Like, for sure. Sometimes we get things where it's like, some of this stuff's a little cheaper, you know, there's not so much good stuff in it, but they're also a really new subscription box. So I feel like each time we get a box, it just gets better and better and better because they're listening to customer feedback and stuff. So I think that they're really getting and understanding what people want, and this is a really good box. Like a really good box. The best box. Like I said, I thought last month was the best box, but this one's the best box. So anyways, let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Are you interested in gifting this subscription box to someone for Christmas, or gift it to yourself for Christmas? Let me know, and if you guys are, you know, wanting to use my link, definitely do so. I would appreciate it. A little bit always helps, and yeah, I guess that's it for this video. Let me know your thoughts and opinions, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!